Hi, my name is Andres Felipe. I am studying industrial engineering at College on SIC. I have been studying this program for 3 years. Industrial engineering is a science which we develop, improve, and implement integrated systems of materials, information, equipment, people, and energy. Our tasks are to improve productivity, efficiency, quality, service, and safety. Someday, I want to be able to manage problems in companies. For example, I want to improve gradually the quality of a product, being it more requested by customers. To reach that, I need to communicate in English as well. So I found a solution to improve it. It is the website virtualtutorwriting.com. So Virtual Tutor is a website where you can check grammar, punctuation, spelling, paraphrasing, and vocabulary, or outline essays and write hypertext narratives. So right now we are in the virtual writing tutor. So first of all, go to the test area and I'm gonna give an example. Humans is being more developed. So here we have a navigation menu. So let's say we click on check grammar. We have a feedback right here. I had 2 errors, so I wrote humans is being more developed, says a mistake, and develop without E and D. So right here, the website gives us the suggestions, like are instead of is, develop, let's say here we have an example right here. So let's say we go to check punctuation. We have not check punctuations, check vocabulary, and if you go to check grammar, we have 23 errors. The website gives us the errors as I told you. So here we have the check spelling. Here we have a microphone where we can record, and here we have a download your test. For example, if you want to clear it, that you can type wherever you want. Thank you and have a good day.